The remarkable Hotwav Cyber X Pro all-terrain smartphone is truly an exceptional device. It boasts numerous impressive features, including the fastest 5G chipset currently available on the market, a whoppingly 12GB of RAM, an impressive 90Hz screen, a flagship-level 180MP camera, a secondary back display, an enormous 10,200mAh battery, and much more. Make sure to watch this Hotwav Cyber X Pro video review. Let's start with the unboxing process of the Hotwav Cyber X Pro, which is delivered in a black box featuring the Hotwav logo and the letter X. Without any delay, let's open the box and check it contains. At the top of the package we find the tempered glass, which is an accessory that can be installed on the smartphone for additional protection. We will set aside our Cyber X Pro for now. Moving on, let's take a look at the other items included in the box. The first one is the user manual for the Cyber X Pro. Then we have a USB-C charging cable, USB cable for reverse charging, and USB to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. Last but not least, we have a 33W fast charger that is capable of rapidly charging this massive 10,200mAh battery of the Cyber X Pro. After exploring the contents of this box, let's shift our attention to the smartphone itself. When holding the Cyber X Pro in hand, its sturdy and robust feel gives off a sense of strength and durability. In terms of design, the back of the Cyber X Pro is made of eco-friendly black leather, providing a luxurious and pleasant experience that beefs a smartphone of this caliber. The right side of the phone has a dark grey steel frame that houses 3 buttons. The first button adjusts the volume up and down, the second button is a power off on, and the third one is a fingerprint reader. On the left side of the phone we can find the SIM microSD tray that supports either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM plus TF card, along with the programmable button. This programmable button can be customized to perform various functions within phone or install applications and can be activated with a single click or long press. Lastly, at the bottom of the phone we have this USB-C charging port, which is protected by a plastic cap to ensure the phone's IP68 waterproof rating. As for the display, the Cyber X Pro comes with an impressive large 6.78-inch FHD plus 90Hz screen that boasts a resolution of 2460 by 1080 megapixels and 396 pixel density. The IPS panel produces rich, vibrant colors and crystal clear content reproduction. While it's not quite as powerful as OLED screens, it still provides exceptional quality. The screen is high durable thanks to its Corning Gorilla Glass protection and has a maximum brightness of 550 nits, ensuring clear visibility in all lighting conditions. It's primarily designed to be used as a robust screen and it delivers on both fronts. As for selfies, the front-facing camera boasts a 60-megapixel sensor guaranteeing you capture picture-perfect selfies ready to sharing on social media. On the back side, one of the standout features of this Hotwav Cyber X Pro rugged phone is the excellent LED back secondary display that is located in this model together with its cameras. It can show you received and missed calls, date and time, and battery status and similar things. In the phone options we also find several different styles of clock themes that can choose according to your wishes. I hope that is enough choice for everyone. That small rear screen is really great and practical, visible enough in all light conditions. Right next to it we find an impressive camera setup featuring 3 cameras in total. At the forefront is the primary camera, which boasts a staggering 108 megapixel sensor. There is 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 0.3 megapixel secondary sensor with 2 round LED flashlights, producing images of exceptional quality with remarkable details. Thanks to its advanced post-processing capabilities, you can expect nothing less than top-notch photos. In terms of video recording, cameras are capable of capturing videos in maximum of 2K resolution at 30 fps frame rates. To get a feel for the camera performance, we decided to take a walk outside and try it out. Check out our sample photos and videos using the Cyber X Pro. Okay, after these camera samples, let's talk a little about the performance of the Hotwav Cyber X Pro. This rugged smartphone is powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, which is currently the fastest 5G chipset on the market. Built using TMC 6nm technology, this processor provides advanced energy efficiently while delivering top-notch performance with its 8 cores. The Cyber X Pro comes with a remarkable 12GB of RAM, which is one of the highest amounts of RAM in rugged smartphone currently available. It also features the 256GB of fast UFS 2.2 storage, which can be expanded via memory card for additional storage space. This smartphone provides exceptional user experience with its specifications and features. Particularly, it focused on multi-day use. It's a dream come true for passionate gamers, easily handling even the most demanding game available on the Google Play Store at the highest settings. With its huge 10,200 mAh battery, gamers can enjoy uninterrupted gaming for hours. On a single charge, the Cyber X Pro's battery is capable of delivering about 16 hours of streaming, 50 hours of calling time, and playing music continuously for 40 hours. The 33-watt charger that comes bundled with the phone can charge it up to 50% in just 40 minutes. Overall, the performance of the Hotwav Cyber X Pro is truly impressive and sets it apart from other smartphones on the market. The smartphone runs on the latest pure Android 13 operating system and comes with all Google applications. Also supports NFC, which is Google Pay compatible, and has custom buttons. This phone has IP68 and IP69K rating, which means it can be survive being submerged in water and depth of 1.5 meter for up to 30 minutes and it's resistant to dust and water and grease. It also passes the military standard mil-STD 810, which means the device is durability in extreme environments. Over the past couple of years, rugged smartphones have made significant strides in terms of both design and specifications. The Hotwav Cyber X Pro is a prime example of this. With its impressive 10,200 mAh battery, you can go on long hikes for multiple days without worrying about charging your phone. Furthermore, the phone charges very quickly with a large battery, reaching the full charge in just over 2 hours. The phone LCD screen is one of the best on the market with the 90Hz FHD Plus resolution and Corning Gorilla protective glass, making it both stunning and robust. The MediaTek Helio G99 processor with 12GB of RAM is the fastest 5G chipset available, providing excellent performance even during demanding games and daily activities, all while running on the latest Android 13 operating system. In addition, the Hotwav Cyber X Pro boasts phenomenal cameras, a premium design and a credible 10,200 mAh battery that provides up to 4 days of battery life. And one of the standout features of the Cyber X Pro is its excellent LED-backed secondary display. With all these features, Hotwav has expertly crafted a smartphone that is well suited for use in harsh environments without significant usability. If you are interested in purchasing the Hotwav Cyber X Pro, official sales links are available below the video. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of this promotional pricing available now. Also, Hotwav has organized a giveaway event where you can stand a chance to win the latest and the best Hotwav phones for free. Hurry up and get your new Hotwav today. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.